What's good, Wavy Game, man? Hey, look, so we're back with another video, man. Hey, look, so you read the title, you know what I mean? You're probably wondering how to tie a durag like this. You feel me? So I'm gonna teach y'all how to tie a durag, you know what I mean? And y'all just, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do it all, man. Hey, but let's get right into this video.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is just horrendous. We're supposedly
Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last.
Alright, so let's get started. Let me go ahead and take my durag off and show y'all how I exactly tie a durag. Alright, as you can see, you know what I mean? We got the waves spinning, you feel me? We got the waves, we got the waves, we got the waves, we got the waves. You know what I mean? We got the waves. Hey, but look, now though, we came for the durag, we ain't come for the waves today. So I got me a little silky blue durag, you feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all how I put my durag on each and every night, throughout the day, if it comes off, whatever the case may be, you feel me? So I'm gonna, there's a few ways how to tie a durag. I'm gonna teach you the first way, how I used to tie my durag, and I'm gonna tell you how I tie it now, and which one I like, which one I prefer, you feel me? So first, of course, you wanna just put the durag on like normal, right? Just throw it on like that. And then you wanna get these two long flaps, right? And always wanna make sure that this line is on the outside. So when it's like this, and make sure it's outside, because if it's other way around, like flipped inside out, this is gonna put an imprint on your waves, and you don't want that. So you wanna make sure it's flipped inside out, which it is, right? So line it up, make sure it's the middle of your eyebrows. And then once you do that, then you wanna grab these flaps, and you wanna bring it to the back. You feel me? So once you bring it to the back, you want to make sure you got it, cause so I don't know if you can really see, but there's an inside and there's an outside. So you want to make sure that the inside is facing inside and the outside is facing outside. If I can get it. So yeah, so make sure inside, outside, right? So that's what you want to do, like that. And then once you do that, right? I usually, put in my mouth, right? And then I just get the first one, I line it up, inside, right? Make sure it's neat. And this is the best way that's gonna prevent you from having that big line on your head when you wake up in the morning. So if we do this will prevent it, right? So once you get that right, now you wanna just basically tie it like that, and then tie one more time, and then boom. Alright, so this is what make it different when I tie my durag. So both steps, the first way I used to do it before and the way I do it now, this is the same way. This is the same process right here. So everything is the same all the way up to this part. Now this is what makes it different, right? So how I used to do it, I used to tie my, the back like a ponytail. So I'm gonna show you. So I used to get my durag. I used to twist it like this. Y'all see? Twist like this, and then I used to get it, do that, and then boom. Well, so that's how I used to tie it back in the day. I used to tie it like that. That's when I first started getting waves. So I used to tie my durag like that. But now, this is how I tie my durag. So when it comes to the silky, like the velvet type, you can usually just, just throw it on top and then stick usually, right? And then you get the some other ones where you just get the durag, twirl it up. Just see how I did that? All I did was let it flop, get it, twirl it up, right? And tuck it in. And that's it. You feel me? So you got the one with the swirl, how I used to do it. I don't do that no more. And you got the one where you can just throw it over, right? And then some of them, if they don't like stick like the velvet, like just the silky inside and out, what I usually do is I would just tuck it in like right here in the front. That's what I would do. So it don't keep, you know, flopping. I don't like my do-rag flopping in the back. I don't like that. But yeah, so you could tie it up and then stick the flaps in the front and it'll stay like that. So boom. And then you got the twirl, tuck it in, and whoop whoop. You feel me? But yeah, man. Hey, look, that's how you tie your do-rag. You feel me? That's how I tie my do-rag, you know, for 2022. You feel me? You know, we getting right with these waves. You know what I mean? But hey, listen, we gotta get our waves right, you know, before the summertime. You feel me? You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Do it all, man. Peace on the street shirt.